Hi, good morning everybody. This is Kathy from Katzelcreate, and I am coming on today with I guess a small mini tutorial. I'm not going to finish the whole thing, but I wanted to show you a glimpse of how I made these beautiful flowers. I do apologize. I'm doing a new setup, so I'm trying to figure out where I am aiming my stuff, so hopefully you could see that. So these are my flowers that I've been making. So I love making this. This is so awesome. And just go ahead and show you that. And I know there's a few techniques and different ways of doing it. I've seen Tamika from oh my gosh, I want to say Scrap the World. She has an awesome tutorial. I think I saw her tutorial last year. I wanted to attempt to make it, and I just hadn't had the time. And then I saw the Push Paper Lady do it about a month or two ago, and she had an awesome technique as well. Everybody has a different technique. I'm sure there's other videos, and I just wanted to show you how I make this. I know Tamika said that she believe at that time she was using starch. This is a starch that I've had on hand for like over a year. So I used this technique and it was all right. I'm not gonna say it wasn't bad. And the Push Paper Lady, Cheryl, she used basically she said that she uses the mist sprays, the cologne ones or the perfume ones, you know, and she misses her flowers with that. I tried both techniques. I like both of them, but somehow I kind of like my technique better. It's a non-wet one. So if you were to do a wet one, you basically would use your flour and spray it with one of these items. You know, just leave it there, let it dry. Let me just go ahead and show you really quick what I mean. So basically, I have some flower punches. This is the one I've been using for this flower. I hope you guys could see it. I do apologize if I am not in frame, if I'm off frame. And there's other punches such as this one, which I still haven't tried it, but I'm sure it works for all these punches. And so anyways, oh my goodness, I thought I had one in here. Oh, here you go. So basically what I did is just punch these out with the this punch right here. Okay, when I first got it, this punch, I was like, I got it because I got it on Amazon for sale, and I wasn't too sure how I was going to use it. So I punched it out, and I saw it, and I was like, well, what can I do with this? And I think it's a flower punch. So anyway, so I did spray it. Basically, you would either spray it like mist it. Let me show you both techniques. Mist this one as well. I think I put a little bit too much. Here, let me just soak it in here with this one. And once you soak it a little bit, you let it soak for a little bit, and you crumble it up. Okay, and that's all you do. You leave it for a few minutes. Don't leave it there for all day because then it's probably going to be harder. But my technique is this. Just basically fold it. All you have to do is fold it. And you don't have to wait for it to actually dry out or anything. Fold it like that. You're done. And just, you know, the paper will do what it does. And this is a cardstock or from the Recollections from Michael's paper pads. So if you were to use a thinner paper, it might be a little harder because, you know, it's not a sturdy cardstock. So that's what I did. Sorry if I am not in frame. I'm still trying to figure out this new setup. I'm hoping it works out. And I think it's much faster and much simpler because you still have to wait for these to dry out, and then you still have to open them, and you still have to wait for them to dry out. See? Might be easier. It just depends on everybody how they want to do it, how, you know, their patience is. I'm not too patient. I'm patient, but you know, when I have to be patient, I'm patient, but when it's something like this that I want to get done, I'm not patient. So you break it down. I mean, it doesn't tear or anything, see? Just that. Now you layer it. I do 3 layers. You glue it, and you're done. And there you have your flower. Sorry, I'm not gluing it right now because I don't know where I placed my little glue thing and I can't find it. Anyways, I also wanted to show you a different technique. Or I know not everybody has these flower punches, so, or has a die cut like this one that has all the flower punches. These are another one you could do it with. So, but I'm hoping that a lot of people do have at least a round punch. So what I do, and I already had some set up here, and I guess oh, there they are. I punch paper out and I punch a circle, right? So what I do with the circle is, I'm hoping you guys could see it. You fold it in half. You see there's a fold right there. You fold it in another half right there, and then all you do, I'm hoping you guys could see this, just a little round curve cut right there, and then another one, small one. Don't make it too big, and you can work with it as see how you like it. It doesn't, so you're gonna have like this kind of like little, it looks like a paw from a duck. So you're gonna work with it, try it out. I mean, you're just gonna see what works for you. And look at what I have. So this is like a petal. I already have 2 here. So let's try this again. Fold it in half. Fold it again. So it's 2 folds. Cut the piece out right here, just a little piece, not a big piece. Another piece right here. Open it up, and you have your petals. And now all you do is just break it up. You know, bend it, work with it, shape it the way you want it. You know, like I said, those other techniques are awesome. But you know what? I guess this is more relaxing for me too, because since I have some anxiety, I get frustrated really easy. So this kind of helps me relieve some of that stress when I'm frustrated. So there you go. And all you do is just layer them together, and you still, you know, you can still work with it. You can still do whatever you have to. So let me look for my glue, see if I can find a different one. Here, I guess I'll find this one, the reptile one. This is one of my favorite glues. Oh my gosh, if you ever, oh, they put too much, that's why I have my little, if you ever want to try this out, I do recommend it. I so totally recommend it, because it is, to me, it is like another art glitter glue, just in different. So there you go, and then you settle it, you work with it. I mean, you just have to play with it. That's all you gotta do. And let me see if I have a little petal or a little flat pearl bead in here somewhere, and I do. And hopefully a lot of sticks in here. And I'm trying to be in frame. And like I said, this glue is, so if you have the little, you know, if you need to buy the little skinny fine tip glue bottles, and there you go. Sorry, it has a lot of, but oops, there you go. See, and that was done with just this. So if you have this, you don't necessarily have to go buy one of these or these punches. So there you go. So anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Hopefully it wasn't too confusing. I will try to link Tamika's video down on the description below, as well as the Push Paper Lady. I know Tamika had more details on how she did her flowers, and it was an awesome technique. I still have to try that. Haven't tried it yet, but barely working up my flower stash. So there you go. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for continuing on to watch this video. And I thank you for your support. And we will see you guys on our next video. Thank you guys. Have an awesome day.